Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rotate your laptop screen from landscape to portrait or portrait to landscape. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your laptop setting. You can go to the start menu or you can click on this Windows icon and then go to the settings. And after the settings has been opened, you can go to the system setting. Okay, and select the display setting right here guys. And if you want to rotate your laptop screen, you can change the display orientation. Go to the display orientation, and here you will be able to choose portrait, landscape flip, and portrait flipped. And you just need to select the orientation that you like. If you want to change your laptop screen to portrait, you just need to select portrait. I guess then that's all the way to change our display orientation in laptop or how to rotate our laptop screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.